Another day, another maker event. Right, and we have this tool. No, not me. It is a screw measurement tool device thing I got from Temu. Yeah, it's made from the thinnest metal ever, apart from tinfoil. And all it does is sort metric screws. So it goes from, let's see, M1.7 all the way up to M18. And it even tells me the pitch of the thread. And I can measure the length. So as you can see, I have lots of screws. Are they sorted? Are they hell? They could be sorted, I don't know. But let's just say I needed to sort all of these screws because I need to do some work. What is this? Is it an M12? Is it an M1.7? I don't know. Is it M8? I mean, it goes in, but it's loose. Is it an M6? Yep, it is. Because it doesn't fit into M5. Or does it? No, it doesn't. It's M6, Les. There we go. And I've just put it in the wrong place, haven't I? I'll have to use this to sort it now. Is it M6? No. Is it M8? That one is. But now there's a rogue M6 in there. Damn it. I think this was like £1. You can 3D print your own. But for £1, I just thought, I'll get it, stick it in the bits box like that. Ready to go. I have got a lot of screws I need to sort. This is just random stuff when I was fixing stuff from a few years ago. I've got M2, M3, M6, M8, all sorts. I've got these bolts that I used the other day. So I had to attach a headboard to the bed, which is where headboards go. And I needed to find out what size screw I needed. Didn't have the right screw, but I had an M8 bolt. That did the job. And for that I had to bust out my We're Advent calendar from about a year ago now to actually tighten up the bolts. That was a fun 2 hours. Cheap, cheerful, does the job, measures your screws, checks the pitch, checks the length. Let's do it that way, Les. Let's use the right way. Start at 0. Can't complain. Nice and cheap. Anyway, that's all for today. I'll see you later. Ta-ra.